Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a video course with Thinkific, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a video course with Thinkific, begin by signing up for an account on the Thinkific website. Once registered, log in to your Thinkific dashboard. Navigate to the Courses section and click on the New Course button. You'll be prompted to choose a course format. Select the appropriate format that suits your course structure. Next, give your course a compelling title that reflects its content. In the course settings, add a description that outlines what students can expect. Upload a course image to make it visually appealing. Now, set your course price and determine if it will be free or paid. Click on the Curriculum tab to start adding course content. Begin by creating sections for your course. Under each section, add lessons that will form the core of your content. For video content, select the option to upload video lessons. Ensure your videos are well edited and ready for upload. Drag and drop video files from your computer into the designated area. While videos are uploading, consider adding text content or quizzes to enhance learning. In the Settings tab, customize your course visibility and access options. Decide whether your course will be open to everyone or only to certain groups. Add any prerequisites if your course requires prior knowledge. Next, visit the Marketing section to promote your course. Set up an email campaign to notify potential students about your course launch. Utilize the provided tools to optimize your course for search engines. After everything is in place, preview your course to ensure it meets your expectations. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your course live. Finally, monitor student engagement and feedback once students start enrolling. Continuously update your content to keep it relevant and helpful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.